Hello friends, welcome to Easy Kids Draw.
Today we're gonna draw the effing fish with coloring step by step, so let's start it. I'm drawing the effing fish, and it's the first time of drawing F. See the video till end to learn all about F and fish drawing. F. I'm drawing the fish. It's making so wonderful. This fish has a beautiful design. I'm coloring it blue color. Wow, it's making so wonderful. It's turn for coloring the fish. I'm coloring it different colors. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Red color. I'm coloring it yellow color. Wow, it's making so wonderful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.